What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Kim, and I am back with another excited video. Just a quick follow up on the live that I did last night. I just wanted to clear the air, clear the atmosphere, so you guys can know how you can go about and get this thing, how to get your land and your house purchased in a faster way. But this is mainly for the persons who are looking lands, right? So I made a post and I said that in my live stream that you can find land for $3 million go up in Discovery Bay. However, a lot of persons doubt the situation. Not saying that they don't believe me, but some persons like saying, "Wow, that is seem like unbelievable." But all right, so these land, remember that these are lands, and these lands go very fast. So if you want to get these lands, guys, you have to like just be lucky. Sometimes. So I have this site, Sagicor. It is Sagicor site, Sagicor Property Services, right? And you can always go on it and you can search by you can search anywhere you want to search. So I am searching for land rent and sale, but I am doing the property type, and I am going for like in a specific area, which is Saint Ann, because I am from Saint Ann and I am representing Discovery Bay. I am from Discovery Bay, and I have the my price range here. I can choose my price range, so I'm choosing from 319,000 to $25 million, and that is gonna be just the price range from that to that, right? So and then I click search, and then I organize my search by low to high, because I want to see the lowest price first going up to the high. So as you can see, these are the lands starting from $3 million. So you can see and these lands, they are already sealed out, or they already sold out. Some of them are under contract. I think it means that they are people pay for them already, right? So you can see the first land right here is for 3 million, 3.1. The second one is for 3.7. The third one is for 4. Keep on going up now. So if I had to scroll down, you're gonna have 4.5, 4.5 again. And these lands, as you can see, they are very sea view land that I'm telling you about. They are very close to each other. This look like the same land. All five of these lands right here, they look like the same lands, right? And they cut it up in five, and they sold it for, so the first one they sold it for 3, and then they realized that people want it, so they raise the price, and then they start selling it for more, as you can see, based off the stats and the view. All right, let's go a little bit further into this. All right, so if you want to see more, you can actually visit the site by yourself. I'm gonna leave a link of the site into my description for you guys to just click it and just follow, and just to see what I'm talking about, right? This is just a follow-up. Remember, this is just a follow-up of the live that I did. So I'm gonna leave a link of the live into the time card above. You can also follow that and ensure that you listen to the live. We spoke about some lot of good points over there. I was telling about working with a budget. If you have $17 million, you can definitely build a house in Jamaica. Because just imagine if you did get one of them land for $4 million, and I had a budget of $5 million, but we're gonna go at least $4 million, because you can see you have land for 3 million, but we're gonna work with a $4 million budget. So if you get a land for 4 million, if you were lucky to get one of these lands for 4 million, you would be smiling. And as you can see, all of these lands are in Discovery Bay. So the most expensive right now, going up. Well, wait, I wouldn't pass 5 mil. Trust me, but you can see you have 7 mil, and then all of these lands right now are under offer. Right, the only land that is available right now is this one for $7.5 million, and it is a very good land. Right, it's a very good land. So then you have fixer up house. You can buy this house and get just to get the land, right? But you can do better than that. You can just check it out, and trust me, as me tell you, lands go very fast. Because look at this. This is for $10 million, and it's already sold. This is for 11, it's already sold. This is for 12, it's already sold. And this is a house and a land. So this house basically is selling for $12 million. And this is in Discovery Bay. So, and we can go on to page 2. So the list can go on and on and on. Guys, you just have to do your research, right? Let me just dive deeper into this. So you have this house for 12 million. You have this house, and this is just a small apartment. If I click it, you will see. So I'm just gonna go into this and just to let you guys see what you're gonna get for your $12 million. So this is like a townhouse, and you're gonna get all of this section that is highlighted with green. You're gonna get that for $12 million. I would advise you, if you're looking for somewhere quick to live, you can buy this, but I personally wouldn't buy it, right? And I wouldn't encourage people to buy it. But if you don't have any other choice and you want to just live somewhere fast and go, then you can purchase this. This will be a very good option for that purpose. I would not buy, right? But for this one, you can buy this one and fix it up to your likings. This is just $12 million, people. This is like one of those old-time house back in the days. But it's a good house. I would definitely live there because and own it for my personal self. It have a car approach. My car can stay underneath it, and you can live. You can clean it up. Just Rack and I, we can fix it up and have an office and everything for $12 million. That's a go. People, you have to be smart. Do your research, man. Come on, you guys trust us enough to give you a decision. However, I don't want you guys to just take my point only. I want you guys to listen to what I have to say, then you do your research just to confirm things, because sometimes it's good for you to confirm everything, right? So yeah, that's it. So, and as you can see, most of these are sold out already. Most of them, even the prices, they're already gone. This one is for 5.2 gone, and all of these are in Discovery Bay. Trust me, all you guys have to do is just do your research. Do the research, and you guys will find lands and things for sale that you won't even believe, right? It seems like I'm going into the wrong direction here. So it thing changed from that. All right, so let us start. So we have even house for $25 million. We have Seaview land for $23 million. Trust me, this is the location that we went the other day, and this is a land. This is like a beachfront land. So you can just imagine you buy this land for $23 million and you build a nice, luxurious hotel on this piece of land. Trust me, you can't lose. So people, you just have to do your research. But we are not going so far into the money because we are dealing with people or persons on a budget, right? Most of these lands, as I said, they are under offer. They are under contract. That means they are already sold out or something like that. Most of them. And guys, if you are smart and you do your research, you can find even better lands and better facility than these that is on this side, because not everybody is gonna put their land or house on a side, because you have to pay the agency, as I said, and all of that, right? So this land is for 14 million right here, and there's a house right now for $15 million. All right, we're gonna click this house, people. When I said people are not doing their research, this is what I'm talking about. This house is for 15 million, This house is for $15 million. This house is for 15 million. Well grill up, well secure, right? 15 million. Come on, people. We have to do our research. We have to do our research. Nothing is wrong with this house. Nothing. We just have to do our research, right? We have to do our research, people. Look at this. This house just need need an owner and just to fix up the right way. You can even, if you're really on the go and you want something fast, you can buy something like this and you can have this to live in. You can even rent this. You don't have to live in it. You can buy it for $15 million and then rent it out, and then voila, magic. So people, please, I'm begging you, do your research, please. So as I said, this is just a follow-up. And just to confirm, yes, you guys have lands and house out there what is very cheap. You just have to very lucky, very lucky, because trust me, if a big investor or a person with money comes forward and see land for $3 million, that person won't let it pass, because at the end of the day, land have value and the value won't drop. So when they buy the land for $3 million, they're gonna sell it for like $8 million. And trust me, even if they don't sell it for $8 million, they're gonna build something huge on it and then rent it out or start an Airbnb, and they're gonna be rich. So guys, take this offer, take time to research, and if we find like any deals, we would definitely share it with you guys. You know that already. All you guys have to do is take advantage of the opportunities. Don't make them personal, because trust me, land not increase, but the population increase. All right. So if you enjoy this small rush preview, just don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. I'm sorry that you are not seeing my face, but some of the time it should be that way for you guys to get the point right across. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment your questions and everything, and we'll definitely answer them. Have a good day, and I will leave the link to this site into the description, so you guys can just go to it and just find it. So peace, and I'm out.